I'm Jennifer Monserrat, Honorable Minister for Labour and Employment, Government of Goa. Mr. Raju Gawas, Commissioner, Labour and Employment, Government of Goa. Mr. Atul Jadhav, Vice Chairman, CII Goa State Council and Managing Director, New Era Shipping Private Limited. Friends and those from the media. A very good evening and a warm welcome to you all. For the last 125 years, CII has been working on shaping India's developmental journey and will continue to proactively transform Indian industry's engagement in national development. With a theme for 2021 as Building India for a New World, Lives, Livelihood, Growth, CII has been leading the country on the growth trajectory. Leveraging its 9,100 members from private as well as public sectors, including SMEs and MNCs, it's the indirect membership of over 3 lakh enterprises from 288 national and regional sectional bodies, CII is unwaveringly committed towards India's development. The objective is to create a more productive workforce for industry to enable greater competitiveness while simultaneously making a social impact. CII has been working on the skills agenda since 1987 towards collaborating, aggregating and consolidating all efforts between the stakeholders to augment the efforts of the Government of India towards building a robust skill ecosystem and providing meaningful skilling opportunities to the youth of the country. Through CII, through its on-ground initiatives like establishing multi-skilling centers, model career centers, international tie-ups, recruit, train, deploy, which is a 100% job placement model, among others, has been working to positively impact the marginalized communities and bring value to both the stakeholders, industry, and the youth of the nation. CII's skill development and livelihood verticals impact over 1 million youth annually. The Goa Model Career Center, in partnership with the Government of Goa, will be the 40th MCC that Confederation of Indian Industry will be managing across the country. Also, I wish to highlight that the CII has collaborated with École Hôtelière Lucerne, a Swiss-based institution that is among the world's leading education and training providers in the tourism and hospitality sector. The Government of Goa must definitely consider collaborating in this initiative for the benefit of the state in the interest of tourism and hospitality. By participating in this program, I foresee that this collaboration will add great value to the state in the long run. We at CII will be happy to further praise you on this initiative. I would like to thank the Government of Goa for support and partnership through this unique PPP model and providing the youth of the state with an avenue to connect them with job and career opportunities. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kospalai. It is indeed a very special moment to be associated with the 40th NCC that CII will be managing across the country. Now, I would like to call upon Mr. Soumitra Roychowdhury, Executive Director, CII, to brief about the NCC Goa initiative.
So, very good evening, sir. Honorable Chief Minister, Mrs. Monserrat. Thank you very much for this partnership. And I remember the journey started from this very big building when we first met you, sir, and you said, do something for the youth of Goa. So this is the partnership we are facilitating. What we will be doing is leveraging the industry connect to enable the youngsters to get jobs, not only in Goa, pan India, and abroad also. We are sending people to Japan and Middle East and Europe. So this, everyone new has this affinity to go abroad. We already have started working on ground. So the team here, led by my colleagues,
focus that side.
The team here have already started working on ground. They have done 3 placement drives. We have more than 240 industry members who we have connected with. We have more than 200 jobs, and we have shortlisted in this short 2 weeks over 100 candidates, and we are giving offer letters to 74 such candidates. Here we will have a token of 6 offer letters to be given in your presence and ma'am's presence. What we have been doing is reaching out to the youngsters, mobilizing them, giving them career counseling based on psychometric assessment of that individual candidate, and giving them guidance on what streams to take, what is their affinity. We will be giving them soft skills employability training based on which they can appear on the interviews better, and of course ultimately the facilitation of the employment. Over 2 years, what we envisage is we will be able to impact more than 27,000 to 30,000 youngsters, provide career counseling and placement of more than 3,000 youngsters from the state. And of course, there's two ways. There's a lot of employment opportunities also here for others. So leveraging our pan-India presence, we'll be able to meet that. So sir, thank you once again for this opportunity, ma'am. Thank you very much and look forward to the partnership.
Thank you, Mr. Chaudhary, for the detailed presentation on NCC. We are certain that this initiative impacts the maximum youth of the state and provide gainful employment. Now, we will witness the exchange of the MOU between Government of Goa and Confederation of Indian Industry. Mr. Raju Gawes, Commissioner, Labour and Employment, Government of Goa.
एक्सचेंज करता हूँ सानी माल हमारा ताजो खबर जाने माल या तू जर असो तू जर तसोच पडतो धरलो तू चल एक्सचेंज शीट नाव तू कैन एक्सचेंज तुझ्या कॉपी ताका ती तू कॉपी घे मला
CII has been working on the skills agenda since 1987 towards collaborating, aggregating and consolidating all efforts between the stakeholders to augment the efforts of the Government of India towards building a robust skill ecosystem and providing meaningful skilling opportunities to the youth of the country. CII includes on-ground initiatives like establishing multi-skilling centers, model career centers, international tie-ups, recruit train deploy, which is a 100% job placement model, among others, has been working to positively impact the marginalized communities and bring value to both the stakeholders, industry and the youth of the nation. I now would request Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, and Ms. Jennifer Monserrat, Honorable Minister of Labour and Employment, Government of Goa, to kindly present the offer letters to the candidates in the presence of the employers.
Let him come from there. तशें येवन ताका
May I now request Mr. Dayal Kamne to issue offer letters of corporate and Bus Manufacturing Company Private Limited and the candidates Mr. Rahul Vivekar and Mr. Sahil Patel.
No, let him come from this side. Come from this side. Raju, तू असं पाटलाक राव. पाटलाक वयता. या घे. साहिल. हाँ. साहिल.
Who is Sahil?
Sahil is this. Yeah, that's right.
Check the name again.
Sahil Fatte.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sahil, congratulations. You are from? Hamonezar है? Very good.
Rahul.
खय दिलं तुका लेटर? खय मे ऑफर लेटर? In Godrej company. Yes, congratulations.
Thank you. Sir, Rahul Tivrekar.
तेरे राहुल खयचो रे?
Is
बिचोले मास्कात. यो. दोघे बिचोले चालू घेतले.
Thank you.
Yes, very good.
So
Congratulations.
next is Ashwin Nair.
Yes, Ashwin is here.
Please come.
He's,
Yeah,
yeah.
Ashwin is there.
Ashwin.
But his company.
He's company head. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Ashwin, तू खयचो? हाँ? पुणे. पुणे का very good.
Tushar Nair.
In which company?
IMS.
IMS.
Tushar.
Tushar, hello. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Tushar, you are from?
Kuchar.
Kurchar. Very good.
Sudhir Gadge. I request Techno Group.
Madam, you hand over. नित्यानंग ऑफर लेटर म्हणल्यार हांव थंयच फंक्शन करूया म्हणटालो व्हडलें म्हाका खबर खरेंच खबर ना
Virupak Deshpande.
Huh? Yeah, 75 जाल्यार 75 जाणांकूय आफय येता आसले. We'll do the big function जाता आशिल्ले. I don't know, really I don't know. I thought it is just only the signing. Huh? Yeah, we can do the round. We'll do in somewhere in some taluka level the function camp also and handing over the letter. That will better. That will better. Because that will give you the good mileage also. Yeah, advertisement नाही त्याच्यापेक्षा आम्ही किती काम करता ते लोकांक कळटले. That is most important.
I wish to request Ms. Jennifer Monson, Honorable Chief Minister of India and
No. That was nice, but for a moment. Good evening, everyone. I extend a very warm welcome to our Honorable CM, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Chairman CII, Mr. Blaise Kostabir. Let me look at the names. Mr. Saugata Roy Chaudhary, Dipankar Bargali, Lalit Saraswat, Atul Jadhav, and my labor team, and all other dignitaries present here. Firstly, I would like to congratulate the Department of Labour and CII on signing of the MOU. The Regional Employment Exchange has been revamped as a model career center, which was recently inaugurated on the 15th of October 2020. Over the past 1.5 years, the department has conducted over 25 training sessions, and in this short span of time, since the inaugural, over 8 sessions have been conducted. These sessions covered various subjects such as training and guidance on civil service competitive exams, basic interview tactics, academic stress management, webinars on new education policies and its impact on India, among several other important subjects at the MMC Training Hall. The Government of Goa, under the able leadership of our CM, Dr. Pramod Sawant, is constantly striving to create and provide adequate employment opportunities to the youth. CII is currently managing 40 model career centers across the country. Considering their expertise in the area of imparting career guidance, counseling skills, placements in private sectors, the Government of Goa, through this MOU, plans to reach out to maximum number of career aspirants in Goa with the aim to create more employment opportunities. My department and the Government of Goa would sincerely like to say thank you to you all and extend all our support in making this initiative a success in our state. I look forward to this association and the progress and opportunities it will bring with the vast experience that you all have. And I would like to say a big thank you to you all, especially for the jobs that you all have just handed out. The job thing you have just handed out to all the young aspirants here who are looking for jobs, and I think this will send a very great signal to all of Goa, because a lot of people want to know what exactly you all are going to do for us. So this is a great start. Congratulations and thank you.
Thank you for your address. We look forward to your continued support. I now would request our chief guest, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, to deliver the keynote address.
For the signing and exchanging MOU between the Government of Goa and the Confederation of the Indian Industries CII for this function, along with me, the Labour and Employment Minister, Madam Jennifer Monserrat, especially the present from the CII side, Lalit Saraswat, Mr. Chaudhary, Mr. Bargali, Mr. Blaise Kostabir, Mr. Atul Jadhav, and from the Labour and Employment side, Mr. Raju Gawas is there, and rest all our officers. So I'm congratulating first of all for the Labour Ministry for signing the MOU with the CII, and because of you people only, and we have converted our career center, our employment exchange into the model career center. I'm congratulating for those who are just now, we have handed over the appointment letter for this function. आयच्या सुवाळ्यात खास करून हांव गोंयच्या तरणाट्याक सांगपाक सोदतां, कारण आमचें एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज पयलींचें एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज उरूंक ना. ज्या एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंजींतल्यान आमी पारंपारीक रित्या येवन थंयसर फॉर्म भरताले आनी आमी गव्हर्मेंटानूच नोकरेची वाट पळयताले. पण आमी आमचे एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज आज कन्वर्ट जाला इंटू द मॉडल करियर सेंटरांत. ज्या मॉडल करियर सेंटरांत नॉट ओन्ली द गव्हर्मेंट बट CII फॉर द कावन्सिलींग पर्पज हाज्या खातीर तुमकां मार्गदर्शन करपा खातीर आमी म्हणटा तशें डेली फ्रॉम द मॉर्निंग ऑफिस अवर्स थंय अवेलेबल आसतले. इट इज नॉट ओन्ली द ऑफिस अवर्स बट हाज्या व्यतिरिक्त आमी भायर येवन कॅम्प घेवपाची आमची तयारी आसा. वी आर प्लॅनिंग फॉर द वेरियस करियर कावन्सिलींग कॅम्प्स एट अ तालुका लेवल आनी विथ द हेल्प ऑफ CII आमी तेय बी म्हणजे स्पेसिफिकली इन तालुका लेवल्स वी आर ऑर्गनायझींग द कॅम्प. It is not only for the employment, but it is for the career counseling. It is for the soft skill for the those who are the job seekers. How to face the interview. हाजेरूय बी ट्रेन करपाची आमची तयारी आसा आनी ताकाच लागून तर हाजो जॉयंटली टायअप जो CII बरोबर जाला. हांव CII कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता कारण तांची 40 पुराय देशात 40 अशा पद्दतीचो MOU आनी टायअप वेगवेगळ्या स्टेटीज आसा आनी नॅशनली तांचो प्रेझन्स वीच वील हेल्प फॉर द गोवन यूथ. नॉट ओन्ली द जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा बट फॉर ऑल्सो द जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आउटसायड द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. आज खरें म्हटल्यार हांव मुद्दामून हें मेन्शन करता, म्हाकाय खबर नाशिल्लें की ते 70 जाणांक ऑफर लेटर्स आज ऑफर करतात म्हणून. हांव खरोखरूच तांचें अभिनंदन करता की गोंयचे तरणाटे आज प्रायवेट सेक्टरांत जॉब ऑफर्स घेवपा खातीर रेडी जाले. म्हणजे हाचेच एक सायन आसा की आमच्या एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंजांतल्यान आज 70 भुरग्यांक गोंयच्या ऑफर्स आनी नॉट ओन्ली इन द सिंपल कंपनी द गोदरेज एंड व्हेरी रेप्युटेड कंपनीज दे आर ऑफरिंग द लेटर्स फॉर देम विथ अ गूड सॅलरी ऑल्सो. नॉट ओन्ली आमी मायंडसेटांतल्यान भायर सरपाक जाय की म्हाका फक्त सरकारीच नोकरी मेळटली आनी हांव फक्त सरकारीच नोकरेच्या वाटेन लागतलो आनी सरकारीच नोकरी जायी जाल्यार एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंजीन रजिस्ट्रेशन करपाक जाय अशें ना. तर आयच्या गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांनी म्हाका दिसता प्रायवेट सेक्टरांत सुद्दां जरी नोकरी जाय आसत जाल्यार आपल्या घरा कडेन बसून ऑनलायन रजिस्ट्रेशन करचेंच. बट ताज्या फुडलें करियर कावन्सिलींग आसत, सॉफ्ट स्कील ट्रेनिंग फॉर द इंटरव्यू फेस आसत किंवा अदर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज अवेलेबल वेरेवर एंटायर इन द स्टेट. हाज्या खातीर डेफिनेटली दे कॅन एप्रोच अवर मॉडल करियर सेंटर्स. थंयसर फक्त आमच्या एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंजींनी द फूल टायम द ऑफिसर्स ऑफ द CII इज ऑल्सो प्रेझेंट हू वील ट्रेन फॉर द अवर यूथ. आनी ताका लागून म्हाका खूब बरें दिसता की आयच्या विदीन शॉर्ट स्पॅन ऑफ टायम जरी पॅन्डमिकांत आमचो थोडोसो वेळ गेलो टायअप सेटअप जावपा खातीर बट आज टायअप सेटअप जालो, तांच्यांनी आपलें कामूय सुरू केलें आनी 70 जाणांक ऑफर लेटर्स जे आयज तांच्यांनी टोकन म्हणून 6 जाणांक लेटर म्हाजे हस्ते आनी मॅडम मोन्सेरात हांचे हस्ते आज 6 जाणांक ऑफर लेटर दिलें. हाज्या वयल्यानूच मॅसेज वयता की गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांनी मॅक्झिमम टू मॅक्झिमम म्हाका दिसता इफ दे एप्रोच टू द मॉडल करियर सेंटर्स खूब जाणांक अशा पद्दतीच्यो प्रायवेट सेक्टरानूय बी खूब बऱ्यो ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी नॉट इन गोवा बट विथ द हेल्प ऑफ CII to the entire country they can give the good offers for this. And not only this, तर म्हाका दिसता इन स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट आनी स्कील ट्रेनिंग विथ द एक्सपर्टीज सब्जेक्ट ऑफ देम म्हणजे तांच्यो ज्यो एक्सपर्टीज स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट विथ द इंडिया हांच्या कडेन आसा आनी विथ गूड कॉन्टॅक्ट्स विथ द डिफरंट कंपनी इन द कंट्रीज. हाजी मदत आमच्या गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांक निश्चित रित्या जातली. आनी आज आमी जे एक पावल फुडें मारलां म्हणजे डुईंग द टायअप विथ द प्रायवेट सेक्टर इन द स्पेसिफिकली इन द मॉडल करियर सेंटर म्हाका दिसता वीच वील हेल्प मोर फॉर द यूथ. आनी अशाच पद्दतीचो प्रायवेट सेक्टरांतली आमी जॉयंट वेंचर्स आमी जशें म्हणटा की वेगवेगळ्या सेक्टरांत जावपाची गरज आसा. आनी इफ जे प्रायवेट पार्टनर्स जेन्ना गव्हर्मेंटा बरोबर येता तेन्ना खऱ्या अर्थान आमी जें म्हणटा की डेव्हलपमेंट जावपाक शकता अँड जॉयंटली टुगेदर वी कॅन डू बेटर. आनी ताकाच लागून म्हणजे म्हाका दिसता माननीय मोदीजीच्या संकल्पनेंतलो आत्मनिर्भर भारत, मेक इन इंडिया भारत वीच इज अगेन आयल से इट इज एन वोकल फॉर द लोकल. नक्कीच आमच्या कडेन आशिल्लो टॅलंट आयडेंटिफाय करपा खातीर CII आमकां मदत करतले. आमच्या कडेन कितलोसो टॅलंट आसा. आयजूय बी प्रायवेट कंपनीत हांव रिपीट करता की आयच्याय घडीक आमच्या प्रायवेट कंपनीत फ्रॉम कर्नाटक एंड महाराष्ट्रा देर मोर दॅन 10,000 पिपल्स 10,000 youths those who are coming and those are working in our private companies in Goa specifically. वो स्किल्ड तांकां ट्रेनिंग दिवपा खातीर सुद्दां CIIच्या मदतीत आमी तांकां स्किल्ड करपाक शकतले. आनी निश्चितच आमी स्किल्ड मॅनपावर जाल्या उपरांत बऱ्या पद्दतीचें एम्प्लॉयमेंट आमी हांगासरूय करपाक शकतले. आनी एक जो कंटिन्युअसली भुरग्यांच्या तकलेत जो विशय उरता की हो जॉब कन्फर्म जावंक शकना, ह्या जॉबांतलो आपल्याक कांय फायदो ना, प्रायवेटांत काम करीत जाल्यार आपल्याक फुडें खंयसर फ्युचर ना, हो रॉंग कन्सेप्ट जो भुरग्यांच्या तकलेन आसा हो तकलेंतलो कन्सेप्ट तेंच्यांनी काडून उडोवपाक जाय. म्हाका निश्चितच दिसता कारण आयच्या ह्या सुवाळ्याचेर सांगता आसतना की आपल्याक आसलेले स्किल्ड, आपल्याक आसलेलो एक्सपिरियन्स हाज्याच मदतीचेर म्हणजे आपलो जॉब अपग्रेड करपा खातीर निश्चितच म्हणजे तुमी ज्या जॉबात आसा त्या जॉबा वयल्यान अपग्रेड करपा खातीरय बी CII वील हेल्प आनी निश्चित तुमचो एक्सपिरियन्स हो वेगवेगळे फावटी कावंट केलो वयतलो आनी तुमी आशिल्ल्या जॉबान अपग्रेड करपाकूय बी जरी आमकां तुमी मॉडल करियर सेंटरान तुमी एप्रोच केलो जाल्यार निश्चितच आमच्या मॉडल करियर सेंटर विथ द हेल्प ऑफ CII तुमकां नवीन जॉब मेळपाक अपग्रेड जॉब करपा खातीर सदोदीत मदत करतले. गोंयच्या सगळ्या तरणाट्यांक म्हाका सांगपाक खूब खोस भोगता की आयच्या सुवाळ्याचेर आमचो टायअप परत एकदां म्हणजे आमी MOU म्हणजे CII आनी लेबर मिनिस्ट्री हांच्या मदीं जो MOU जाला हो MOU तुमच्या खातीर आसा, गोंयांतल्या युवा युवतीच्या खातीर आसा. त्या ती पेडण्या पासून काणकोण पर्यंत सगळ्या तरणाट्यांनी निश्चित रित्या ह्या मॉडल करियर सेंटरा कडेन एप्रोच करचो. ऑनलायन फॅसिलिटीज एवेलेबल आसा, आपली अपॉयंटमेंटूय बी तेंच्यांनी ऑनलायन फिक्स करची आनी इफ इन केस एखाद्या गांवांतले एखाद्या विलेजींतले एखादे 25-30 तरणाटे एके कडेन येता आसत जाल्यार आमचोय करियर गायडन्स किंवा कावन्सिलर्स थंय वचून तांकां गायड करपाची तयारी आसा. म्हाका दिसता त्या ती एक स्टेप आपूण फुडें येवचें पडटलो त्या पर्टिक्युलर विलेजींतल्यान. आमी ऑलरेडी एक पावल घेतलेलें आसा आनी निश्चितच हाजो फायदो गोंयांतल्या सगळ्या ग्रामीण भागांतल्या तरणाट्यांक जावचो होच उद्देश दोळ्या समोर दवरून आनी ज्या अर्थी आमी म्हणटा की स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय करपाक जाय, सेल्फ रिलायंट गोवा जर आमकां करपाक जाय आसत, इट इज नॉट ओन्ली इन द एग्रीकल्चर, हॉर्टिकल्चर, डेरी एंड पिगरी तर न्ही तर स्किल्ड मॅनपावरच्या दृश्टीनूय बी आमकां सेल्फ रिलायंट गोवा करपाक जाय आनी ती स्किल्ड अपग्रेड करपा खातीर निश्चित आमकां CII ची मदत जातली. CII वील हेल्प इन दीस वेंचर ऑल्सो. हाच्या सुवाळ्याक परत एकदां हांव स्पेशली बाबा ललित सारस्वत हू इज टेकिंग द इनिशिएटीव सिन्स फ्रॉम द बिगिनींग. ओके, प्रस्ताबीर आसतलो, अतुल जाधव आसतलो, सुरवातीच्यान आमच्या फाटल्यान आसा. हो टायअप जावपाक जाय आनी आज हो टायअप जावन ताजो रिजल्टूय बी आमकां दिसपाक लागला. त्या खातीर वन्स अगेन आय एम कॉंग्रेच्युलेटिंग फॉर ऑल द रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स ऑफ द CII बाय टेकिंग दीस इनिशिएटिव्स अँड जॉयंट वेंचर with our labor ministry. We want to go long run ahead so that we can give the benefits for more and more youth. Thank you one and all.